Hello and welcome to St. Joseph English Medium School online teaching class. Today's lesson is tenses. Tenses help us to talk about the timings of our activity. Before we get into the lesson, we should know about the personal pronoun subjects. So personal pronoun subject there are 3 points of view. They are first person, second person, third person. In first person singular, is the subject, and first person plural, we is the subject. Next, second person, both the singular and plural subjects are you. In third person, he, she, it are the singular subjects and they is the plural subject. Okay, let's begin. As we all know, there are 3 types of tenses. They are present tense, past tense and future tense. Today we focus on present tense. Present tense is used to refer to an action of being at the time of speaking. Okay. Now, simple present tense. Present tense aspects 4 parts. They are simple present tense, then present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. First we focus on simple present tense. When do we use simple present tense? When we talk about the habit, routine, universal fact. The example of habit is I drink tea. The example of routine is I wake up at 6 o'clock. And example of universal fact is the earth revolves around the sun. Okay. Now we see the rule form of simple present tense. Rule form: subject plus base form of the verb, that is present tense V1 plus S or ES plus object. Here are some examples: I, we, you, they. First person, second person and third person plural use the base form of the verb write and object a letter. If the subject is third person singular, he, like she, it, we add yes with the present tense. So I write a letter, we write a letter, you write a letter, they write a letter, he writes a letter, she writes a letter, it writes a letter. Next, we focus on how to change simple present tense, affirmative sentences or positive sentences into negative sentence, interrogative sentence and negative interrogative sentence. Rule form of negative sentence. Negative sentence. Subject plus do or does plus not plus base form of the verb. In simple present tense, we use do or does to frame negative sentence and interrogative sentence. Do is used with the plural subject and does is used with the singular subject. So, the examples are, first one, he writes a letter. Here the subject is third person singular, so we use singular verb does. So, he does, subject he does not, that means doesn't, then base form write, then object a letter. Then another example, we write a letter. Here the subject is first person plural, so we use plural verb do. So, we do not, it means don't write a letter. And then next, interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, the rule form of simple present tense, do or does plus subject plus base form of the verb. Plus object. Okay. So, first we take an example, she writes a letter. Here the subject is third person singular, so we use does, the singular subject does. In the interrogative sentence, the helping verb does comes before the subject. So, does, then subject she, then base form of the verb write a letter, question mark. At the end of the sentence we put question mark. So, next example, you write a letter. Here the subject is second person, it is considered as plural, so we use plural verb do, then subject you, then base form of the verb write a letter, question mark. Okay. Then third one, negative interrogative sentence. Negative interrogative sentence. Here the rule form of the simple present is do or does plus not plus subject plus base form of the verb plus object. So here are the examples. First one, they write a letter. In negative interrogative we use do or does. Here the subject is plural, so we use the plural verb do. Then not, don't, do plus not, don't, then subject they, then base form of the verb write a letter, question mark. And another example, she writes a letter. Here the subject is third person singular, so we use singular verb does. Then not, it means doesn't, then subject she, then base form of the verb write a letter, question mark. So understand? Okay. Then we focus on the simple present continuous. Present continuous. Present continuous is used to indicate an action which is still going on at the time of speaking. Okay. Note, whenever there is continuous word written in the tenses, we should use the verb's first form along with ing. Okay. So next, second one, present continuous. Here the rule form, subject plus is, am, are plus ing form of the verb, that is present participle, ing form of the verb plus object. So here are some examples. I am writing a letter. We, you, they are writing a letter. And he, she, it is writing a letter. So am is used with I and are is used with the plural subject like we, you, they, and she is used with singular subject like he, she, it. Okay. Then rule form of negative sentence. Rule form of negative sentence. Subject plus is, am, are plus not plus ing form of the verb plus object. So here are some examples. First one, I am writing a letter. So here the doing verb am comes before the subject. Sorry, this one negative sentence we use not after the helping verb. So I am not writing a letter. Another example, she is writing a letter. Will be very easy to after adding not after the helping verb. So she is not writing a letter. In short, she isn't writing a letter. Third example, you are writing a letter. So you aren't, are not in short form, aren't writing a letter. And then next, present continuous interrogative sentence, rule form of the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. So is, am, are plus subject plus ing form of the verb plus object. Examples are I am writing a letter. In interrogative sentence, the doing verb comes before the subject. So, am I writing a letter? Put question mark at the end of the sentence. And another example, he is writing a letter. The helping verb comes before the subject. So is he writing a letter? Question mark. And another example, we are writing a letter. The or comes before the subject. Are we writing a letter? Question mark. Okay. And then rule form of negative interrogative sentence. Rule form of negative interrogative sentence.